In this video, I'm going to show you how I find the runners trading meme coins on Axiom and the filters I use. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker, a great reward system which gives you Solana back simply for trading. You can trade perpetuals, enable their turbo mode which makes for faster fills. You can set your own presets down here and adjust your slippage, priority and bribe fees. They have some amazing filters we're going to talk about right now, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Now here, let me actually show you the filters I use to actually find runners while trading meme coins. Now again, I am no professional at this is just what I use. You are free to use whatever you want. I am no financial advisor or anything like this. This is just what I use. You can try it out, see if it works for you. If it doesn't, you can use anybody else's filters. I do not care. Now, I use this when I go to filters. First, we're going to go to new pairs. In here, inside the audits, what I like to do is I actually go to holders and put minimum holders 3, okay? So usually I do like 3 to 5, but most often I have just 3 over here. And this is pretty much everything I do inside audit. Inside metrics over here, I adjust the market cap. So market cap, usually I have it between 4 and 6,000, but right now it's at the sweet spot in the middle, which is going to be 5k of the market cap upwards to 15k market cap. So that's what I do over here. Sometimes I'll go a bit higher or a bit lower, but usually this is what I use. And then on socials, I like to have at least one social. So I don't care which one it is. I just like to have one social. Now, when it comes to final stretch, over here inside the final stretch, I like to have age with a maximum of 15 minutes. Now usually I do 15, sometimes I do up like to 20, but usually it's like 15. And then top holder percentage, top 10 holder percentage, I do 70 at max. Sometimes I do like 65 to 75, but 70 is generally where I go with. Then this is it when it comes to audit. Metrics. Oh, excuse me, I forgot this one as well. So I do holders, and I have minimum 10 holders inside the audit. That's what I like to see. And then when it goes to metrics, inside metrics, I only change one thing, and this is the market cap, where I want the minimum of 10k market cap. And then inside socials, again, I want to have at least one social. Then when it comes to migrated over here, when it comes to audit, the only thing I care about inside the audit is that it has at least 50 holders. Sometimes I like to do like 40 or 60, but usually I just have it at 50. Metrics, I like to have a 10k market cap as well. And then when it comes to socials, usually in here, I don't really care if they have one social or not. But of course, if you want to be on the more safer side, and I do that as well sometimes, you want to click on this one. So basically it has at least one social. So that's pretty much it. That's what I like to do when it comes to my filters to actually find runners trading meme coins. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.